Okay, so we need to do a big task today, that too in this morning time. Full water. So it's all because of the water outlet pipe. So this one, it's supposed to be in here, but due to the water suddenly pushes sometimes, like multiple times it used to pump out the water. So I think one of the time it came like this, and then water is whatever, how many times it started rinsing and then pumping out the water. So it started like the room got flooded with all that water. So now I have like vacated all the things which is inside the room, and then so I kept all the things like here and then here. So now what I'm going to do is get the water out by having this wiping cloth. Okay, so now I think almost 70% of the water I have removed. Okay. This household chores, right? I don't know. It's really hectic. Hectic in the sense, a lot of time and patience need to be there. This is the first time I think I'm doing this. Yeah. And it's okay, I don't feel any bad. Major part of cleaning is completed. Like 90% water I have moved out. So now I need to like do some mop. So wherever the water is still there, which I cannot move like the way which I am doing earlier. So I need to do this cloth.
పాడు జీవితము యౌవనం మూడు నాళ్ళ ముచ్చటలోయి అయ్యయ్యో నీదు పరుగులెసటకోయి పాడు జీవితము యౌవనం మూడు నాళ్ళ ముచ్చటలోయి.
So finally the room is completely clean. After like 3 hours I spent cleaning all the. Yeah, now I'll take a bath, and then probably after that I'll cook and then eat peacefully, and then sleep for some time, and then evening we have the Chennai Open that is going on, and today is semifinals. So yeah, probably by 4 or 4:30 I have to start from here, and then yeah, if I'm lucky enough, so if I get a ticket, then I'll probably watch the match. Otherwise roam around and then come back. Yeah, finally I'm ready after a long 3-hour cleaning. After taking a proper bath, I feel like so much relieved.